Today, we're creating a sleek and stylish e-text poster from scratch in Photoshop. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, I promise you'll learn some game-changing tricks by the end of this video. Let's kick things off by creating a brand new document. Set the dimensions to 21 centimeters by 29.7 centimeters. That's an A4 size canvas. Next up, let's give our canvas a cool, dark vibe. Go to the adjustment layer icon at the bottom of your layers panel and select solid color. Choose black, hit OK, and just like that, we've got a sleek black background. Alright, grab the type tool from the toolbar on the left. Type the letter E and set the font size to 700 points. You can download the font I'm using from the link in the description below. Position the E in the center of your canvas. It's going to be the star of the show. Here's where it gets exciting. Duplicate the text layer by pressing Ctrl+J. On this new layer, change the color to red and increase the size to 820 points. Position this red E slightly behind the black one, so it creates a bold, dramatic outline effect. Now for the fun part. Let's create that sleek cutout effect. Select the rectangular marquee tool and draw a rectangle across a portion of the red E. With the selection active, click on the Add Layer Mask button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Here's a cool trick. Right-click on the mask thumbnail and choose Add Mask to selection, then right-click again and select Inverse. Now choose the white E text layer. Click Add Layer Mask and watch the magic happen. A stylish cutout is born. Time to tidy things up. Click on the top layer and click here to make a group. Right-click on the group, assign it a color label, and then drag this layer into the group. Finally, drag the mask to the group itself to keep everything neat. Let's spice things up with a background image. Drag your chosen image onto the canvas. You can find the download link in the description. Hold Shift while resizing the image to fit perfectly on your canvas. Right-click on the image layer and select Create Clipping Mask so it stays confined. To make the image pop, we'll tweak the levels. With the image layer selected, go to Adjustment Layer, Levels. Click the small icon at the bottom of the Levels window to clip it to the layer below. Move the right slider to 2, 1, 2 to brighten things up. Now, let's create some depth. Add a new layer above the E-masked layer, right-click on it, and select Create Clipping Mask. Choose the Brush tool, set the foreground color to black, and pick a soft, round brush. Adjust the opacity to 100% and flow to 45%, then gently paint shadows where needed. This gives your design a professional, polished look. Now close the group and lock it. It's time to add those finishing touches. Use the Type tool to create your text. You can download the ones I'm using from the links below. Duplicate the text layers for variations by pressing Ctrl+J. Don't forget to use the vertical type tool for additional creative elements. Position the text around your poster to balance the composition. For a modern touch, grab the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle across the design. Then, use the rectangular marquee tool to make a selection inside the rectangle. Click Add Layer Mask, and you've got a unique shape that ties everything together. And that's it. You've just created a stunning poster with Photoshop. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more Photoshop tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.